Yo, what is up, boys and girls? We are back with another Evo video. Since this baby got so much love last video, today I'm gonna be showing you guys the parts I've been getting these past few weeks. Like, everything's been coming in, like literally like every day. I get a box or two every day, and it's just crazy. It seems like Christmas all over again. It's so nice. This car right here is gonna be a whole different car once I'm done with it. So, we got fucking Busher, and the mustache. Jeez. Damn, alright. Let me show you guys my little shed full of fucking Evo parts. Holy fuck. Okay, give me a second. I gotta. Alright, boys, so check me out. I bought all new interior pieces for all the red that's in that piece of shit car. I bought an Evo 9 steering wheel. Look at this thing. This thing's so nice. So much nicer than the Evo 8. Oh, fuck. Did not mean to slam that. Shit. Got all the dash interior. Or dash plastic pieces. Dash interior. What the hell? Yeah, we're getting a monitor for this baby. Let me see here. Oh, yeah, here. Give me 1 second. I've got all new mats from Mitsubishi. I actually ordered the fucking Evo 8 ones, but they fucking sent me the Evolution MR. What the hell? That's not even the right one, but those will work. This shit's clean as hell. It'll be a lot better than what I have right now. I need this. So clean. Oh, what? So clean. What else we got? Let me see. This is a must buy if you have an Evo. I'll show you guys. This will get rid of all your fucking jerkiness when you're driving. Look at this thing. This thing is clean. Look at that. It's gonna look nice in the engine bay. Woo! Damn, ma. Fuck. Alright, as we come inside, I'll show you guys a couple more things. Here, I got a 3.5-inch fucking intercooler. This thing is so fat, dude. Holy shit. This thing is huge. Good condition. Look at that. It's gonna look nice on the Evo. Intercooler piping right here. Yeah, ETS. Intercooler piping. What else? And over here, on this little fucking shelf, we've got a map intake manifold cover. This thing looks a lot cleaner than the stock one. A lot cleaner. Ooh, wideband tray. All right. We've got ourselves an AEM wideband with all the plugs, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you get plugs. All right, yeah, this is one of the 3 that I ordered. I got a wideband, a boost, and oil pressure. All AEM on the way. This little baby right here is a stock Evo 9 turbo. I know. I'll explain that in a second. And then what do we have here? Let me open these up real quick. pretty sure are yeah, cool. 1200cc injectors, baby. Yeah, this will be good enough for E85. Yeah, the Evo's gonna be running on E85 if you were just wondering. Woo! I've got the fuel pump coming too. I've got a Walbro 450 coming. Walbro 450. Walbro 450. All right, here we go. So these are NTO3s. They're 18 by 9.5, and I'm pretty sure the offset is plus 27. Yeah, I'm pretty positive it's plus 27. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to run spacers on these because it's not gonna fit the Evo calipers, especially in the front. Those are fucking gigantic. Let's see. These two, I don't know exactly, but one of these is the window rain guards and one is a vortex generator. It's gonna look so clean. Last but not least, something in my other shed. Let's see what we've got in this little shed. Oh, a bunch of bikes. Nice. I'm just playing. If anyone knows what this is, you know. You know, baby. Straight from the dealer. Oh man. JDM rear bumper, baby. Oh, this is one of the first mods that I wanted to do in this car. It's literally a night and day difference. Like this versus that stock USDM bumper. Yeah, this will win over that thing any day. Oh shit, I take that back. That is not the last thing I gotta show you guys. I forgot there's a whole ass fucking built head inside my house right now. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. There she is, baby. I can't see shit, but get these things out of here. Yeah, that's a little teaser right there. That's a built head, built Evo 8 head with a no Myvec. Evo 9's not Myvec. This is no Myvec. And then I've got let's see here, ARP L19s, ARP head studs. You gotta get the L19s. It's got Kelfer 272 cams, Kelfer dual valve springs, Kelfer springs and titanium retainers, and I'm pretty sure it's got like a Fidanza adjustable cam gear. I've never heard of that brand, but yes, that is correct. You guys heard me right. I bought a separate built head and built block. Shit, bro. So this is why it's been like a whole week since I posted the last video. Basically, I've been just waiting for the parts to come in. My plan is to do a complete engine swap and
a few moments later
put a fat turbo on there, basically. I think that it'll be great content watching the Evo grow from, let's see, Evo 9 turbo. That'll be around 400 wheel horsepower on E85. Yeah, it'll be on E85, 400 wheel horsepower. It'll be great watching the car grow from 400 to 600 and then maybe even 700. But yeah, that's about it, boys. Hope you guys liked the video. I'm actually dropping off the Evo tomorrow to Elijah's house. That's when the full engine swap's gonna happen. It'll be around a week and a half till I get the Evo back, but once I get the Evo back, it's going straight to the paint shop and it's gonna get redone, OEM red. Excuse me, OEM red. It's going to look so clean. With those wheels back there, it's gonna look nice. Alrighty boys, I'm outie. Be sure you guys give the video a like, comment, subscribe on the channel, and yeah, turn on that notification bell too. Peace out. I'm out.